Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Guys, today I will show you how to fix initial activity has been detected from your device and ChatGPT. So guys, to fix this problem you have two solutions that I have for you. The first solution, guys, log out from your account from here and log in again. This is the first step, guys. Click log out, for example, and after that what you have to do, try to log in. Click on the login again on your device, and after that click on login, for example, for your Gmail account, and click this Gmail account. After that, guys, after that log again, and the solution to that I have, guys, remove the extension, Manish extension from here. Try to remove some extension from here, and after that choose this solution. This is how you can do, guys. I have this, try this, maybe this work for you. This is for work for me, guys. I tried this two solution, and thanks for watching this video.